Extension installation. Watch how easy it is to slide into your section. Grab your section, slide it in, and create clean, tight separation. Now you can start any type of hair extension. This is an awesome way to remove all those little tiny fine hairs that get in the way. You can use it on the bottom to hold your previous extensions, and of course on the top of the extension platform. Again, this is just a way to create neat, clean separation and remove all unwinded tiny hairs away. Go to amplifythestylist.com right now to order your Barracuda Comb Clips.